Hi, I'm Jim. It's nice to have you stop by. Doing videos, I've learned a lot of things. One of them being I've got to have better sound and I've got to have better lighting. So I went to B&H Photo Video's website to see what I could do about improving the lighting for my videos using a GoPro Hero 5 Black as my main camera. And I do have an external mic using the external mic adapter on the GoPro. I've done a lot of different techniques of using a lamp like this up close. Sometimes I've taken the lamp shade off. It can be a bit harsh, as you'll probably see from some of my other videos. Z96K. I like the little case that it comes in here. I think the name of the company is DOFtec or DOFtec. And with a snowy Michigan evening going on here, I could use all the light I can get. So it is a really nice case. It's got nice foam. It seemed like it had decent reviews. So it looks like it can take 5 AA batteries, just regulars, that's good. And it comes with the charger. And the one thing I'm not sure about too is I'm not really sure about this. I'm not entirely sure what that's for. Cold shoe mount. Here it's a little plasticky feeling. It's got AC/DC adapter, so you can run constantly off that. Again, I'm not really sure what this is going to be for. There's no manual or any paperwork that I can tell either, so I'm a little surprised by that, unless it's, no, not in there. So a little disappointed in that, I would say. I would say it's not perfectly smooth. It almost seems a little ratchety, if I can call it that. I would say it's not completely smooth. It's almost like a little bit of a step going on there. So one thing I did buy also a while back was this Movo adapter. It allows you to put accessories on, so I'm going to mount that to this tripod, and I'm going to mount the GoPro on the center and give me a place to put the light up here so we can give this a shot. Alright, so I've got this DOFtec mounted on this Movo mount. Got the GoPro in the middle. I did look online, as best I can tell. This is an adapter that goes on the side of the light, and I believe what it's doing is it allows you to daisy chain multiples of those together, make it like a light bar. If this diffuser helps, I don't know if you'll be able to tell any difference from that. Now I'm going to put this amber one on. Now, again, I have no idea if this is helping or is it just making me look like a pumpkin. I was expecting a little bit more for the money. This is a bit overpriced. That would just be my opinion, because it does feel a bit plasticky. It is nice to have a separate case. I don't think it would have hurt to maybe have like a little instruction sheet about what the adapter is. What they say, stepless and light adjustment. I don't think I would call that stepless. I wouldn't say it's somewhat smooth, but there's definitely like periods where you can see it. The LEDs go from, and I'm just gently moving that knob, and you can see it flashing from a, so I wouldn't call that stepless. I would say that's definitely a step type, or at least a semi-stepless, maybe they should call it, but like there's another spot there. Maybe it's not state of the art anymore. I like the versatility of being able to put AA batteries in it. Even on the special deal I got, I'm not sure $75 is the best price for that. We'll see how it holds up. So one thing I'd like to accomplish with this new DOFtec LED light is give me some more consistent lighting. Right now it's off, and I'm going to turn it on without any filters. So this is just the LED lights, no filters on there. Let's put the clear one on and see if this makes a difference. We'll say it's easy, it goes on there nicely. Just magnets that hold it on there. This has that diffuser. I don't know if this makes any difference at all. Now I want to take that off and I'll put this amber on. So I'm not sure how that's looking. Again, to me it just looks sort of orange looking. I have fluorescent lights above me in the garage here. Now let's put both on and see what happens. I don't know if that adds anything or diminishes it any. Okay. I'm going to turn it up even higher and just see what happens. This is both diffusers, the amber colored one and the clear one. We'll see if this makes any difference. Now I've taken off both diffusers. This is without any diffusers on at all. It's just the bare lights at maximum. I'm just curious if this does help. It looks extremely bright to me, but you know, maybe this is what you do when you're trying to make better lighting. Give me some comments below. Let me know if you've got experience with this light or just lighting in general, what you find works. Granted, a better camera, I'm sure, a real photographic camera do the trick. Appreciate you being around and going through this ride with me. We're going to do more when we're working on Jeeps and such. I look forward to seeing you in the other videos. Please subscribe. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up.